It finally came. It finally came. What I have here is the world's first 35mm anamorphic lens for the Micro Four Thirds system. I don't usually do unboxings because I think they're kind of stupid, but I'm going to make an exception for this one. Alright, well, here we go. And let me just start off by saying, as somebody who has often made fun of unboxing videos, it is a lot harder to get an overhead shot than I ever thought it would be before trying. So props to all you unboxers on YouTube. This is not an easy gig. So the package coming all the way from China. This is the Sirui 35mm Anamorphic. Whew. Lens for Micro Four Thirds. There it is. Looks like it's kind of like a cell phone type packaging. Man, and I have been just so excited to get my hands on this thing. 1.8 aperture. Let's go in this way. And that's going to give you 1.33 squish. So there it is. And so the beauty of this is it allows goons like me to try out shooting with anamorphic without selling your house in order to get there, which is what it has been on 35mm lenses, anamorphic lenses, up to about, you know, today. It was an Indigogo campaign. I was 1700 or something on the list, so this was my time to have to get the lens finally. So I'm really excited to see what's going on with this. We got a kind of a cell phone type packaging there. Here's the manual. Oh, and there's the lens just kind of loosely packed in there like that. Let's see what we got here. So we got a nice bag slash cleaner. Instructions. And focus rings. So that's really cool. And then we get to the lens itself. And right off the bat, I mean, this thing has a really good weight to it. Feels like a quality lens. So there it is. So there's the focus. It has a great movement on it. The aperture is a bit tighter than I expected it would be. But you know, after we'll see how it performs in the field. Really, I really like the feel of this focus though, especially because I mean it's a manual lens, so you're going to be pulling focus. Yeah, that's smooth. And then right there, and that's the optics, and that's what we're paying for in the end, is the 1.33 squish. There it is. Sirui 35mm Anamorphic. Let's go get some shots with this baby. So there you go. This is the Sirui 35mm Anamorphic Lens for Micro Four Thirds. It's on my GH5 right now. Really excited about this lens. I'm really excited to put it to the test. Maybe do a short, maybe even a feature with this. I have lots of plans for this lens. I'd love to know your thoughts on it. Are you excited about Anamorphic? Are you part of my geek tribe? Or is it just something you see as kind of a gimmick? I'm interested in knowing your thoughts. Throw them down in the comments. Thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.